If you're following a new recipe, the oven is preheated and the ingredients are all lined up, but there's one problem. The recipe calls for precise measurements, and all you have is a set of measuring cups. You try your best to get it right, but the end result? A dish that's too salty, too sweet, or just not right. Sounds familiar? Well, today we're going to solve that problem once and for all. We're bringing you the top 5 food scales of 2023 that will make your cooking and baking a piece of cake. I've also included the links to the products in the description box below. Do check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin, we have the OXO Good Grips stainless steel scale here for you to have a look at. For those of you bakers out there, this scale represents the realization of a long-held wish. Even if you place a huge bowl on the scale, you won't have to strain your neck to read the measures if the display has a pull-out feature. It is capable of handling up to 11 pounds of weight and measures in both grams and ounces. The platform, which is made of stainless steel and can be removed, makes it very easy to clean. The Escale Primo P115C Precision Kitchen Food Scale is the next product on our list. This scale places a premium on both ease of use and precision. It takes up little space, is simple to operate, and is available in a wide range of bright colors to complement the aesthetic of your kitchen. It has a capacity of up to 11 pounds and a tare function, which allows you to subtract the weight of a container from the weight of the components to determine the weight of the ingredients themselves. The Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale is the next product on the agenda. This scale is not merely concerned with precision, rather it is concerned with making a difference. The efforts of the Love 146 charity are supported by a donation of a portion of the earnings from the sale of this scale. It takes up little space, is simple to maintain, and boasts a display with a high contrast ratio. In addition to that, we promise your complete pleasure with the purchase. The Texity Food Kitchen Scale is the next product on our list. The versatility of this scale cannot be overstated. It has a sleek base made of stainless steel, high-accuracy sensors, and the ability to measure weights ranging from 0.044 ounces to 11 pounds. In addition to that, it is capable of displaying measures in grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces. It also has a tare function. The Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Digital Kitchen Scale comes in last, but certainly not last in importance. This scale is concerned solely with value. In addition to weighing up to 11 pounds and providing a tare function, it comes equipped with a widescreen LCD display. The platform is made of stainless steel, making it simple to clean, and it comes with a warranty for 1 year. So there you have it. The top 5 food scales of 2023 that will take your cooking and baking to the next level. Now it's your turn. Which one caught your eye? Which one do you think will make your culinary creations perfect every time? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep creating culinary masterpieces.